Hello guys, let's see cell referencing in MS Excel 2020 in today's session. Every cell in MS Excel worksheet is a combination of row and column. Each cell is having a unique cell address or cell reference. It is a combination of the column alphabet and the row number. Example A1 is the cell address with a column alphabet and one row. There are two types of cell referencing: relative cell referencing and absolute cell referencing. Let us see relative cell referencing. Relative cell referencing comes when you copy formula in adjacent cells and the cell address automatically changes when the formula is being copied. So let us go to MS Excel worksheet. I have a case study for you on Surya Bookstore, and let us see how we can implement relative cell referencing. Yes guys, this is my Excel worksheet which I made for you to demonstrate relative cell referencing. I have a case study of Surya Bookstall who is having the following items in his bookstall. So there are pens, 100 pens, each cost 25 rupees. Pencil of 500 units, each cost 5 rupees. Eraser and notebook. So let's see how we can calculate the total price. As you know, total price is a product of quantity and price. That is 100 into 25 is the total price of pens. 500 into 5 is the total cost of pencil. So let us see how we can write a formula to find the product of quantity and price. So first let's start with pen. Always the formula starts with equal to sign followed by the cell reference of the cell which contains the data. So this cell is C5. You can see the cell address is C5. It automatically comes there, multiplied by D5. D5 is the cell address of the cell with the value 25. Now you click on enter, you get the answer 2500. Now you can see the same formula on the formula bar, C5 into D5. You can see the cell address in the name box E5. E5 is the name of the E5 is a name or the cell reference of the cell with the value 2500. Now we need to find the cost of other products also in the bookstore. So for that we can copy the formula. So how we copy the formula is, there is a small box, a small rectangular point on the right bottom side of the cell. You just keep the cursor over there. The cursor shape changes to plus sign. Drag it down. You can see you will get the total price of other products. So if you want to check whether the formula is applied or not, you click on the particular cell. You can see the formula which is being applied, that is equal to C6 into D6. So you can see the formula is same. It's a product of quantity and price, but the contents or the cell reference change automatically. Same wise, now next eraser, you can see the cell reference or the cell formula is C7 into D7. Next, for notebook, you can see it is equal to C8 into D8. So this process is known as relative cell referencing, where when the formula is copied, the cell reference changes automatically. Hope you understood guys. Thank you.